The countdown to Glastonbury has begun. These are all of my tips on what you need to bring. Keep watching to become a Glastonbury pro. First things first, a good backpack. This will save your back. A granny trolley. Your friends might take the mick, but she will not let you down. A good bum bag. This is especially necessary when you're going to the drop down loos. A good camping chair. Keep the bag safe so you can fling it on your shoulder. A portable charger, obviously. I've had this for years and it literally lasts me the whole 5 days. A small pillow. It will literally transform your sleep. A blow up mattress. I share this with a friend. We have a very comfy sleep. Battery powered pump. It inflates and deflates. This is my bag of camping goodies. Spare batteries for the pump. Cable ties to tie all of your stuff together when you're wheeling your trolley along. I have a torch in here. I also have a whistle. Thanks, uncle. Spare tent pegs are also a must. I always bring a waterproof poncho just in case. They're lightweight and you can just throw it over any outfit. Glitter, of course. Don't bother with glitter glue. It will literally stay on your skin for about 6 days. Lip balm is the way to go. A handheld mirror is a must. A good pair of sunnies, obviously. Glasses chains are also super handy. Disposable cameras, always hilarious. You forget the kind of pictures you take and they always end up looking so cute. Baby wipes. If you don't have access to a shower, this is your shower. These ones are biodegradable, better for the planet. A good deodorant. I do like to bring a spray just to give myself a freshen up throughout the day, and these ones actually work. Flannels. Bring 2 freezer bags so you can keep one dry and one wet. If you're near a sink, it's kind of like having a shower. Liquid IV. Very excited about these. 1 stick equals enhanced hydration. Packeted tissues. So important, especially when you go to the loo. Shove one in your bum bag and you don't have to worry. Paracetamol for any pain relief. I have my favourite micellar water decanted into a little travel bottle. But don't forget the cotton pads. A manual toothbrush, preferably with a cap. Things get dirty in the tent. Everyone's stuff's going everywhere. This just keeps it nice and clean. Bring a cap in case it gets seriously hot and sunny. Praying to the weather gods. SPF, very important for face and for your body. There's not really much shade around Glastonbury. Hand sanitizer is always good to keep on you as well. They do have big pumps of hand sanitizer around all of the loos, but they do run out quite quickly. So it's always good to have your own little bottle. A good pair of comfy shoes. Boots are a safer option if it's super muddy. You can also bring a pair of wellies, but from my experience, I haven't really had the need to bring them in the last 4 or 5 years. I'm gonna jinx this now. Make sure you wrap up warm. It gets really cold at night. I really recommend bringing a pair of slides or flip-flops to wear in the morning when you need to go straight to the toilet after you wake up. These are so helpful. A bar of soap is actually really handy. Take it to the sink, give yourself a little, wash your hands, wash your face. It will make you feel as good as new. Well, almost as good as new. And in terms of food and drink, Glastonbury does not accept glass, so don't forget to decant all of your drinks into plastic bottles. There are so many food and drink options around. It's best to bring a card or use Apple Pay, and obviously be very careful of all of your belongings. Don't bring anything too valuable if you can help it. The list could go on, but those are my really important things to remember. And please leave a comment if you have any tips to add to mine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have the best time at Glastonbury. Enjoy every single moment, see as many acts as you can, stay up as late as you can. It's well worth it, I promise you. Bring it on, baby!